Here is the conveyor belt design that I've been working on. The design created using FreeCAD software, and it will be drive using two stepper motor, and the frame will be using aluminium profile 4020. The length of the conveyor approximately 90 centimeters. The design of the bracket for the stepper motor and the roller will be 3D printed. And here is the belt and the 3D printed part, the roller and the bracket for the frame. And here is the actual object after assemble. It uses Arduino Mega to drive the stepper motor using A4988 driver, stepper driver. It's working fine, and we test it with small object to display the belt actually rolling. That's it. Thank you.